Guys, I'm Julian Torres here. I'm inviting you all to watch Buena Familia. Hapon po yan after ng The Half Sisters. And, yun, abangan nyo yung mga scenes every day. Abangan nyo yung story kasi wow, narinig ko na to. Patindi siya ng patindi. Pa-intense, pa-intense. No. Yun kasi, it's a family-oriented show. Dito pinakita, sa Buena Familia pinakita yung, struggles, yung totoong struggles ng family. And yung how things could quickly change kapag may mga circumstances na mga pumapasok. Yun kasi yung Buena Familia, medyo intense ng lahat ng mga nangyayari. Like, there's money involved, there's relationship, may maraming mga nasisira. So, it's something na hindi naman siya something relatable, something na siguro some viewers will catch on to. So, yun, abangan niyo po every day and kasama ko po dito of course, Tita Angelo De Leon, si Tito Bobby Andrew, sina Kylie Padilla, Julian Sinose, Mona Luis Ray, of course, Jake Vargas and Martin Del Rosario, and a lot more. So, abangan niyan every day after the